smoked pot roast vegetable soup. You need 1 smoked pot roast. You need to take 12 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Add 4 cups of potatoes, 1 small diced onion, and bring that to a boil. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic and onion powder, 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of caraway and fennel seed. That you actually find like in your pizza sauce and stuff. 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika, and a tablespoon of salt, but just do it to taste. Then you're going to add all of your spices in with your boiling water and stir it up good. Then you're going to take a cup of barley. My barley's about out, but you want to rinse it and drain it really well and add it to your water and let it boil along with everything. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic. Then cut up your pot roast and then put it in your pot. Then you're going to take a can of green beans, a can of carrots, a can of mixed vegetables, and drain them very well and put in there. You can take any vegetables you want really, but stir that up good. Then I'm taking a can of diced tomatoes, and then I'll take a can of tomato sauce. Add that in with my soup. Mix it up really well. And this, I was just playing around. I had just picked this from my garden, but it's just fresh basil and fresh cherry tomatoes. You don't have to do that, but I just added that in there for fun, stirred that up. Felt like it needed something else, so I added a tablespoon of beef base, tablespoon of vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground thyme, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground rosemary, and a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. And after I added that, it tasted really good. So I hope you try this soup and you like it. And come and visit me over on my YouTube channel at My Crazy Creative Life 2023. Thanks for watching.